Are you looking for a hotel in Osaka? We booked Richmond Hotel Namba Daikokucho and we had their business double room. Kapasok makikita mo agad yung 2 extra pillow, hangers, room spray, may steepers na rin yan. Sa sides naman, yung kanilang pang shoe shine. You can put your luggage there. Meron na rin dyang air purifier. Guys, alam niyo ba na medyo spacious to ha, in fairness. Let's go to the bed. So this is the double size bed. Sobrang lambot ng bed nila. Tapat naman yan yung napakalaki nilang TV. At by the way, sa TV mo nga pala isa-set yung cleaning ng room ninyo. Sa bedside naman, yung area para sa workstation mo. Another table here for your dining. And another table naman sa kabila for the vanity and minibar. So meron na dyang kettle and guys, meron na ring blower. Wow! Meron ding small na salamin dyan para makapag-makeup ka. Dito naman sa drawer, merong glass and mugs. You will also put the used tea bag. And sa pinakababa naman yung kanilang mini ref. Next naman natin is itong kanilang uniform. Charing, uniform talaga yung term ko. Pero guys, ang cute at ang lambot ng kanilang sleepwear. By the way, our room is located in 2nd floor. Kaliwalas yung room kasi meron silang window. Now, let's see the toilet. Sa lahat ng napagstayan namin dito sa Japan, ito yung pinaka-spacious na toilet. Grabe, ang laki na kanilang bathtub. Pwede 2 tao dyan, charing. Sobrang linis ng kanilang bathroom. And pwede ka ditong mag-split. Meron na rin kasama yung shampoo, conditioner, and kanilang body wash. And then meron na rin ditong shower, which is available for hot and cold. And guys, meron silang 40 degrees. Pwede kang mag-mini onsen sa bathtub. Diba sa mga onsen is 40 degrees, ganun kainit? Ito naman yung kanilang sink. And of course, yung pangmalakasang toilet. Automated na yung kanilang bidet dyan. So, pindot-pindot na lang, effortless na talaga. And meron na rin ditong 2 available na tissue and towels. Mga ganda yung quality ng towels nila, guys. Merong hand towel and body towel. And nagulat ako, merong saksakan sa loob. So, habang nagpupupo ka dyan, pwede kang mag-charge ng cellphone mo. Charing. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko sa hotel na to, yung kanilang bathroom kasi nga sobrang spacious siya, ang ganda. Katabi ng hotel na to ay school kaya medyo maingay. Kaya I would suggest na request for higher floor. Sa favorite ko dito is yung kanilang vanity bar. Wala niyan sa room, so kukuha ka na lang dito sa ground floor. And guys, meron din silang pa-coffee dito. Sabi, sobrang generous ng hotel na to. Sa next video, titignan natin yung kanilang breakfast buffet. Don't forget to use my promo code